Hey, how's it going, bros? My name is
PewDiePie, and welcome to Linux Rising Review. Today we will review the setup of the OG GOAT of YouTube, the retired Swedish Minecraft YouTuber PewDiePie. Long story short, PewDiePie crossed the bridge from Windows to Linux by installing Mint on his desktop PC and Arch on his laptop. And of course, as an Arch user, he had to tell everyone, so he made a video about it. And I think that surprised everyone who uses Linux, like me. You know, I'm a software engineer and I use Linux because it makes my life and job easier. But for a gamer like PewDiePie, it really is unusual. So he started his video by listing the reasons why he switched to Linux.
Number 1. Windows talks to me like I'm a baby. Reason number 2. As an epic minimalist, the bloat is real. Reason number 3. Customization. Reason number 4. Gaming. Gaming on Linux is finally real.
Overall, his video is really good PR for Linux. He didn't just try it to be cool or whatever, he really fell into the rabbit hole. I mean, look at this. He embraced the terminal, he tricked his system using things I've never heard of, he even wrote a bash script for his sponsor. And the final results look really cool. I mean, he made me want to install Arch Linux. And I'm sure he convinced some of you to try it out. But should you? The reality is that Linux is great, but it's not that useful for everyone. It takes time to learn and set up. It rarely works out of the box, and well, a lot of software that you love on Windows or Mac doesn't work on Linux. And the alternatives are often not as good. And yes, you can play games on Linux, but it's not as good as on Windows. And for example, you can't play to games like PUBG, Valorant, or League of Legends, which actually isn't a bad thing. So unless you have an interest in computers or programming, then you should probably stick to Windows or Mac. But if you want to free yourself, become a power user, and customize your system, you should try Linux. And you know what? You don't need to go all in. You don't need to give up anything. You can set up a virtual machine with something like a VirtualBox or have a dual boot. Alright, if you want to learn how to do that, there are a lot of tutorials on the internet. Okay, so that's enough glitching.
Leave a like if you are depressed.
I'm PewDiePie. I make videos about computer science, software engineering, and some random stuff. So if you're good looking, funny, and smart like me, you can subscribe.